Alright, let's talk about a problem and its solution. This is SC01 Miracast Dongle from ProScreenCast. Yeah, this is the solution, but what was the problem? Why did we buy this one? Well, in this studio, we have three different places. One is this studio. We actually have two different studios. One is over here. Another studio is on the other part of this office space. In between, there is an open space where Philip, Kathy, and two other people works. And in between that studio and the open space, there is my place where I sit and do some editing and some office work when I'm in this studio, when I'm in this place. The problem is when we all are working on a same project, we have to walk around to check each other's monitor. Like on Final Cut Pro, if Philip is working and he has done something, he asks me like, Han, would you come and check, is it okay? Do we have to do something else or do we add the music over here? Sometimes I really feel tired because I have to walk around to check what Philip is doing, what Kathy is doing, and then there is this new girl, Nancy, what she is doing. So it's a bit difficult, and sometimes I have to show them what I am doing and what do I prefer, what do I want them to do. So yeah, they have to walk around, they have to go to my desk to check my monitor. Now we don't have to do that thanks to this SC01 Miracast dongle from ProScreenCast. Now I can cast my PC to other monitors. There is a common monitor in the open space where they can check, okay, Han wants us to do this. We have to check this place, that place. And I also can check what they're doing. Like when Kathy, Philip, Nancy, they want to share their screen with me, they just cast it onto my monitor. So this really has brought a lot of convenience to our workflow. Now that's the part, why did we buy this one? But after I have bought this one, I have also bought one for my home because sometimes my son plays games and yeah, we have a projector, a very big projector where we want to play games together or want to watch movies together, and we want to screencast our iPad or some tablets or even Nintendo Switch OLED edition or PS5. So this one actually supports all type of devices, all type of operating systems. It feels like this one is okay for everything. And there are like hundreds of different use case scenarios for this product. You may have a different use case scenario, but this product is one of the best. Yes, we have tried many other, and after trying a lot, we have selected this one because this one is one of the best and comes with a lot of features. The first feature is this one supports almost all operating system and almost all devices, and the second feature is this one even supports vertical screencast. Like if you're screencasting something from your smartphone, it's very difficult and almost impossible to do with any other screencast devices, but this one supports. Well, let's check all the features of this product and then we will do the unboxing and then we will check how is the performance. Well, before everything, as usual, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Okay, the first thing first, this one supports 4K Ultra HD with HDR. This one supports 4K video decoding. Wow, that's really cool. Multiple standard like support Miracast, AirPlay, DLNA, and compatible with Android, macOS, iOS, Windows, Chrome OS. Wow, this is really crazy. This one supports home theater and very useful in commercial or office use. We can also use this one for online education. Now there are three other things that I need to mention. Number one, this one supports both the 2.4G and 5.8G dual bands. That means this one actually ensures that we have the full Wi-Fi coverage and optimal speed for streaming. Number two, this one doesn't require any application. No application. There are 3 steps to connect, a very easy installation process, and this one can get connected within a minute. Number 3, this one supports 4K 60Hz, and yeah, this one comes with the HDMI 2.0 port, and inside the box there is a HDMI 2.0 cable, so we are all covered. We don't have to spend extra money to buy a new cable or something like that. This is truly very convenient and it feels like just take it out of the box and you start using it without any hassle. Effortless installation. Well, let's do the unboxing and let's check what things we have got inside the box. Well, after opening the box, the first thing is this Screencast Pro. It's very light. Okay, we will check the weight. and we will talk about the build quality. But let's check what else we have got inside the box. There is a user manual, and this user manual is very good because there are a lot of illustrations and every step is actually written very clearly. But you know what? We don't even need this user manual. Why? We will talk about that later. There is another small box which contains a very good quality HDMI 2.0 cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Wow, that means this ScreenCast Pro comes with a USB-C port, so we can use any cable and we can connect it without any hassle. 57.8 grams, and this ScreenCast Pro SC01 is built with metal and polycarbonate. Very good build quality. There is some design language here and there are some cutouts, and altogether it really looks nice. It really looks fine. I like this design, and there is a button, there is a ring light, LED ring light. This button is actually very useful if you wanna screencast from your smartphone. Well, let's connect this one and check how it performs. Here we are gonna use a 4K portable monitor. This is a 4K monitor. This one supports 4K 60Hz refresh rate. So let's see. Well, a few moments ago I have said we don't even need that user manual, because the moment you connect this ScreenCast Pro SC01 with any monitor or television, this one will show you the user manual, a digital user manual, and there are some QR codes which we can use to do the screencasting. Once this one is connected to the network, yeah, this device will pop up on your smartphone. Let's connect. Okay, here you can see that I have already connected and I'm screencasting from my Xiaomi 12S Ultra to my 4K portable monitor. But as I mentioned earlier, this button is very important because almost no other screencasting devices supports this. Check this. Amazing! Look at this. Now we can have vertical display output. Superb, amazing. I'm truly super satisfied. Well, now we are screencasting from this Xiaomi device, but let's try from another device. Let's try from my iPad Pro M1. Let's see how does that one performs. This is my iPad Pro M1. Let's screencast from my iPad Pro. I have talked about latency. Check here. Do you see any latency? Almost zero latency. One more time. Come down, go up, zero latency. There is zero latency. There is almost no latency. I really like this part. Okay, one more time. If you really need that vertical screen output, click on this button. One more time. I really like this. Considering its price and performance, I would give this a tag that's value for money screencast device. This one offers a very good value for money because this one performs very good, and as this one comes with very good build quality, very good customer support, and a long-term warranty period, I would say if you really want to get a screencast device, then you should go with this one, this ScreenCast Pro SC01. Well, that's all about this product. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. But wait, if you have any question about this product, don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. I always like to read your comments and I would love to reply your comments. Well, if you have found this video helpful, if you want to watch more videos like this, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, support honest content.